Good evening. Thanks for joining us. The boyfriend of Elijah Vue's mother, Jesse Vang, appearing in court today for his preliminary hearing surrounding those new charges in the toddler's death.
Manitowoc County judge ruled there is enough probable cause to proceed, binding Vang over for a trial. Vang faces 2 felony charges of repeated acts of physical abuse to a child causing death and hiding a corpse. Elijah's body was discovered in September by a person checking their property ahead of the hunting season, just a few miles from Vang's apartment. Brittany Schmidt was in the courtroom today. She brings us the new details in this case learned during today's proceedings.
Kimmy, Bill, today was really about the defense challenging the state, making them prove that there's enough evidence here to move forward with these felony charges against Vang. What I was listening for today was for any new information in this investigation that we don't already know about from the criminal complaint. 2 special agents described what they found during the investigation they say links Jesse Vang to the death of 3-year-old Elijah Vue. New information revealed in court by the prosecution suggests Vang was familiar with the area where Vue's remains were found in Manitowoc County. One special agent said Vang had done a power washing job on a property nearby. The prosecution says subpoenaed Google records also suggest Vang viewed that area by zooming in near the road where the remains were found in a wooded area. The prosecution noticed something there too, some foreign soil or gravel nearby that was tested. Investigators believe Vang borrowed a Nissan Altima in the days leading up to Elijah's reported disappearance.
Law enforcement learned that witness 1 maintained buckets of sand over the winter at the apartment complex that the defendant resided at, and would utilize the Nissan to get that sand in those buckets. Items were received and the sand and other samples have been sent to a out-of-state crime lab for analysis.
Were there buckets found in the Nissan when it was searched?
Yes.
The defense challenged the physical abuse allegations, arguing there is no evidence to suggest that Elijah's reported punishment of making him stand for 1 to 3 hours or repeat phrases endangers his physical health. The defense also argued the state was unable to provide information on how the child died.
So we don't know if it was trauma, do we?
We don't.
We don't know if it was starvation, correct?
That's correct.
We don't know if it was suffocating, right?
Correct.
We don't know how this child died, do we?
Correct.
No further questions.
The judge ultimately found that the prosecution met their burden of proof today, and arraignment has been scheduled for November 18th. Reporting in Manitowoc County, Brittany Schmidt, Action 2 News.